ePower system. So in this new episode, we're going to change the transmission fluid of the Nissan ePower technology. Under the Nissan ePower system, the first component that we're going to see is this monster, that is the transmission. For ePower, remember, this transaxle is completely different. We only have this sandwich transfer case, and then we have 1 and 2 huge external electric motor. The ones we're gonna change is the transfer case, which we have over here, the draining hole, and over here to top it up. So let's open up this 10 millimeter. Almost 2 quarts. Yes. My only question is, why is it so dark? Inside this transfer case is just gears, nothing more than that. And this is what happened. Look, little metals over here that accumulates over time. So you need to change this transmission because there's a lot of torque and a lot of power. This is from the bottom and this is the one from the top and still has tiny little metal debris. So be careful. Change the transmission fluid very often in the Nissan ePower system. Finishing to drain, Jose. What type of oil are you going to use in the Nissan ePower system? S6 ATFX Spirax from Shell. But what is this? This is actually a premium full synthetic automatic transmission fluid. Nissan Matic C, D, J, K, and S Matic, which is the one that originally this one used. So how much it takes? We measure it. Practically 2 quarts. You can't make it more simpler than that. Now we finished the drain, and we tied it up. It's time to just hook up a hose, and we're gonna use gravity. Here we go with our full synthetic. 1 quart ready. 2nd quart. It actually took the complete 2 quarts. Changing the transmission fluid is super easy to the Note ePower or any Nissan ePower because they're practically all the same. So if you want to learn more, stick around for more tips.